My name is denysyuzhakov. I am founder of the project Liberland Railways, and welcome to our Liberland Railways corporate YouTube channel. Today, let me introduce you with another our good friends, a good member of our corporate model railway. This company is Escudo Watches, called Escudo Watches, is manufacturer of the watches of very good quality. They are from the UK, and they are from honestly they are from two countries, from the Lisbon and from London, from Liverpool, so from Portugal and from the UK, because of the two owners, two founders. And this presentation is for investors who would like to be an equity investor for the good British company, for the good British production, which requires financial injection to increase their manufacture. So let's take a look at my screen to see to understand what do they want. Guys, Escudo Watches. This is, as I told you earlier, this is British and Portuguese production of the watches, and that guys are looking for investment to the price. The manufacturing is on the territory of the UK, and let's take a short look what has been done and what are they going to do to expand their presence on the market. So let's join an opportunity to invest in further establishing a luxurious high-end watch brand. The attention to detail and build quality rivals existing brands in a much more expensive price range. Escudo watches are not just a watch, they perfect a creative journey. They are conceived from historical global events that mirror today's economic developments, that is world trade. Actually, if you would like to see this pitch, I will send you it. It's not a problem. Just drop me a line on the emails indicated under this video, and let me explain you some information from the questionnaire, which the founders agreed to fill to understand deeper their business. So their vision is to produce a range of watches that fits seamlessly into everybody's lifestyle, sport, aspirations, and community. They have a lot of ambassadors and partners. Actually, if we take a look at the names, we'll see a lot of ambassadors and partners as in sports, in films, in cinema, and so on and so forth. So you can just, if you would like, you can to find out a little bit more, you can just stop this video and read it. I will not stop it. Mission of the company is to produce real quality watches to reflect inspiration to involve exploration, adventure, and the elements that made the team believe they needed to continue to create Escudo Watches. As for status, Escudo Watches established in 2020 with personal investment of £150,000 British pounds, used for branding, manufacturing, and marketing, and a second personal investment of £100,000, which was added in 2022 to fund the design work and the development of the business. Further, £100,000 British pounds was invested in 2023, and they have a stock value, certain stock value for a certain amount. They have watch collection, which comprises of so-called Ocean's Secrest, and available in 9 different variations. You see just an examples on your slide on your screen of these watches, and I will tell you some tips of some questions from the questionnaire of the founders, which would like. Thank you to the guys, to the founders that agreed to answer our questions. So first of all, they are located in Liverpool. You know, this city in the United Kingdom. On what stage the project is? They have office and office equipment. They have some watches in stock, and the parts to complete 200 watches. And some watches names are registered in the UK, such as Secrest and Sequest. They are registered in the UK. Now is operational phase. So they're working, they're selling watches, they're producing watches, and they're advertising watches. If you're speaking about why the team decided to involve external financing from the external investors, so they can't afford to self-fund. So you see they covered all of their costs by their own funds. So they can't afford to self-fund any further, and haven't approached their bank because the sales figures don't yet reflect where the brand has reached, and they know how a risk. So banks are refusing to finance, but you see, as a result, they are looking for the fund, for the investment to continue working. The next point is what is a realistic time frame for implementing the project. So the project is already existing, and the financial injection the team wants is to further expand the watches ranges, marketing, and additional stock, as well as establishing an office and assembly point in Portugal. So as it's international team from Portugal and the UK, so they have they need to keep some capacities as not in the UK only, but also in Portugal. Project owners should investors like you or like any other investors, of course, would like to know how quickly the project could be realized and profit could be appeared. So the team promises that the project will be profitable within 2 years after injection will be done to their project. It's very good commodity. It's very good industry because it doesn't require any licenses, any permits, and so on and so forth. So it's just simple to work to produce watches. As for payback period of the office investment, the funds will be used to develop and purchase 2 new watches for the range and develop and purchase a metal bracelet, and they are promising. So we are speaking about the large quantity for some ranges, or two new ranges, and they are promising dividend of 10% investment per year. Of course, you could be interested what amount do they need. So in the second year after, they're looking for let me specify. So let's speak about profit. What profit should be expected after funds injection? In the second year after funding, the team should achieve a turnover of 250,000 British pounds with a gross margin of 20% and steady growth thereafter. This is based on a minimum investment of 250,000 pounds. So minimum investment required at the moment is 250,000 British pounds. But if you prefer to invest more, you can discuss with founders and consider general points of view. At the moment, the company turnover is not very large. For the previous year, 2023, it was 34,000 British pounds. So you see, the company is working, and they are running their business. One more question, one more tip about main risks of the project. You know, every investor should work with risks. So the main risks, obviously, they need to increase sales and add extra inventory to their production, to their manufacturing, and new models. If they don't significantly improve, which they believe they can, they would have to review the whole project. So they need to avoid risks. They need to launch some additional ranges of the watches. Which are they planning to do? So it's very important. It's very important, and that guys really serious. They have invested their own funds. They've invested really huge amount. And if you are interested to participate in to take this project to your investment portfolio, you are welcome to write, to drop us a line on this email indicated on your screen. So guys, just drop us a line to if you're interested, and we will arrange your meeting with the founders of this project. They are members of our Liberland Railways corporate model railway. Also we are proud they are our members, and I think you will be proud if you invest to their good startup, to their good project. I think it will bring you good profit in your own portfolio. So thank you for the watching, and hope you will be interested to invest to this project. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out more good opportunities from our Liberland Railways YouTube channel, from our club, and from our business network. So thank you for the watching, and see you later. Bye.